video we are going to discuss about operator and its types with a simple example and expressions. Operator. Operator is nothing but an symbols which is plus, minus, less than, greater than and operator and so on, which is used to perform some particular operation. Expressions is nothing but an statement which formed based on data and operators. Data is nothing but an A, B are the variables store some data, and then plus minus are the operators. Expression is formed based on the data and operators. A plus B is also an expression which gives a result. Here you can see the types of operators. Arithmetic operator, which is nothing but an plus, minus, into, by, modulo. Second one, assignment operator, which is plus equal to, minus equal to, into equal to, by equal to, modulo equal to. Third one, unary operator, a plus plus, a minus minus, plus plus a minus minus a, which is post increment, post decrement, pre increment, pre decrement. Fourth one is relational operator, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, not equal to. Logical operator, and then or and then not. Bitwise operator, bitwise and operator, bitwise nor operator, bitwise XOR operator. First one is arithmetic operator. It is used to perform arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. You know the difference between division and modulo? Division gives quotient value, and then modulo gives remainder as a result. Example: a plus b, a minus c, a minus b, and so on. Assignment operator. It is used to assign result of a expression to a variable. The operators are plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, by equal to, modulo equal to. The examples are a equal to a plus b or a plus equal to b. Both are same. We are storing addition of a plus b into a variable, and then here a plus equal to b, we are storing addition of a plus b into a variable. Now third one is unary operator. It works on only one data, which means it does not need two values. Only it need only one value. These are four types: pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-decrement. A plus, a plus plus, a minus minus, plus plus a, minus minus a. I will explain these operators in example clearly. Fourth one is relational operator. It is used to compare the values of two variables. Relational operator is also known as comparison operator. Why? Because it is used to compare the two variables. These operators are used in decision making statement. All we know, decision making statement is nothing but an if statement. If we are writing if statement, there we use an less than, greater than, less than or equal to operators. Those are the relational operators which gives a boolean result. Examples for relational operator is a less than b, a less than or equal to b, a greater than b, a greater than or equal to b. A, b are the data, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are the operators of a relational operator. Now fifth one is logical operator. The expression is formed as a combination of two or more relational expressions, which is nothing but an a less than b, a less than or equal to b. Those are the relational expressions. Less than is a relational operator. The logical operator works on only Boolean values and it will produce Boolean result. Operators are AND operator, OR operator, and NOT operator. I will give example for logical operator and then bitwise operator. It is going to perform every bit of data, which means we are passing data or value, right? That will convert it into a binary form. Binary form nothing but an ones and zeros, which machine will understand. Here we will say bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator. These also we can see later in the program. Look at the first table. If both the expressions gives true as a result, the result is true. If any one of the expressions gives false as a result, the result is false. If both the result is false, the result is false. Look at the OR operator table. If both the expressions gives true as a result, the result is true. If any one of the expression gives true as a result, the result also a true. If both the expression gives false as a result, the main result is false. Now you understand the difference between AND operator and OR operator. In AND operator, if any one expression gives false as a result, the result becomes false. In OR operator, any one of the expression gives true as a result, the result is true. Now the not operator, if the expression is true as a result, the main result is becomes false. If the expression gives false as a result, the main result becomes true. It is an opposite. I will explain in program. Now look at the program. I was created a class name as operators, and then I've written types of operators. Here there are 7 types of operators: arithmetic operator, assignment, and so on. Now first one is assignment operator. I'm going to give example for arithmetic operator. Minus, into, by, and modulo operator. By gives quotient result, and then modulo gives remainder as a result. Now look at the program. Int a equal to 10, int b equal to 20. Okay, now I am going to write print sys out. See, a plus b. This is an plus arithmetic operator. Save the program, and I am going to run the program. Here we got 30. Then minus, save the program, minus 10, and then into, save the program and run the program. This is an into operator. And then by, which gives quotient value. See, 0 is the quotient value, which means, and then modulo operator, which gives remainder as a result. See, 10 is the remainder. Assignment operator. It is used to assign result of an expression to a variable. All we know, expression is nothing but a combination of variables and operators. Data, this is an data. Modulo is an operator. This is an expression. An expression produce result. Here a modulo b produce result. See, 10 is a result. So a modulo b is an expression which produce a result. Result is 10. Now you understand expression. Here the assignment operators are plus equal to, minus equal to, star equal to, by equal to, modulo equal to. Now I will write an example for that one. X equal to 5. Look the program. Here I initialized a variable x and y and storing the some data into that variable. Now here I am storing addition of the two variables into x variable. I am going to print the value of x. See the output. Print 7. Correct, right? In another way also we can write with an arithmetic operator plus equal to y. This one and this one both are same statements. Here we are in LH side we are written x. We are storing the result of an expression into x value. Here also the result of an expression storing into an x variable. Here the result of an expression storing into an x variable and adding that x value also. Okay, as of now hide this one and run the program. See the output 7 came. If I change to 15, 17 will be the output. See, 17 is the output. Now you understand? Like that only we can write minus and save and run the program into save and run the program and then by save and run the program. Here x by y, it gives an quotient and stores into a x variable. Okay, modulo x modulo y gives the result of an expression and stores into an x variable. See the output. 1 is an output. Third one, unary operator. It works on only one data. There are four types of unary operator: pre-increment, pre-decrement, post-increment, post-decrement. Okay. Now I initialized a variable a and stores data only 1 as a value. Now I am going to print a value a. Now see the output. 1 is printed. Now I am going to print plus plus a. What is the output? 1 2. Okay. I am going to print minus minus a, pre-decrement, and guess the output? 1 2 1. Here what happened? The actual value of a is printed and then first incremented 1 plus a, which is 1, or a plus a, which is nothing but 1 plus 1. In next case, already a value is incremented by 1, so a value is 2, so 2 minus 1, result is 1. Now you understand? Now next example, sys out post increment a plus plus. Now you understand the value of a is as of now 1. Okay. Now print, run the program. 1 is printed. Why? Okay, 1 minute. Hide this one. Now run the program. As of now a value is 1. I will write here printing statement plus a. Here I will write a plus plus plus. Now running the program. A plus plus is 1. See, 1 is a value is 1, and then a plus plus is 1. Why? We are incrementing a value a plus plus, right? Here we have to get 2 as an a plus plus value. Why it is not? It is printing 1 as a plus plus value. Here you have to understand, a is a 1 value. A contains 1 as a value. It first prints the value of a and then increment it. You are not understanding, right? Now I printed a value. After post increment, a value is, look, initially the value of a is 1. Initially value of a is 1. I was incremented and printed, but the value of a is 1 only. After post increment I printed again one more printing statement. There we get 2 as an value, a value. Correct, right? Which means in this statement you have to understand, first a value is printed, then only the increment is happen and stores into a variable. First printed a value as 1 and then incremented. If I store that result into a variable, let us assume int result equal to a plus plus sys out now hide this one and this two statement also. Now a value is 1 and I am storing post increment, and I am storing into a result variable. Now I am going to print result. What is the result? 1 is the result. If I print A, what is the result? 2 is the result. Why? Because first A value stores into a result variable and then incremented and stores into a variable. So that's why A contains 2 as a value and result contains 1 as a value. If I do results res pre-increment, let us assume into b equal to 1. Here take b value. If I do pre-increment and then I am printing result and then running the program. See, 2 is the value of res because first incremented the value in b and then it stores into a result variable, res variable. Now you understand pre-increment and post-increment. Pre-increment means first increment the value and then stores into a variable. Post-increment means first pass the value then incremented. This is then post increment and decrement examples. See here, first use this value then only decrement. In result variable we are storing a value as exactly and then a value is decremented by 1. Now see the example. First value as 1 and then second value as 0. First is an result variable and second one is an a variable. A variable stores is an post decremented variable. So after decrementing 1 minus 1 is 0. So that's why a prints 0. Result is an post decrement. So that's why first it gives values to that variable. Then only it was decremented. Here also same. Fourth one, relational operator. It is used to compare the values of two variables. The relational operators are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to, and not equal to. Here I initialized two variables. 10 value stored into a x variable, 20 is stored into a y variable. Now I am going to write x less than y. It gives an boolean result, true or false. 10 is less than 20 is true or false? True. Now, greater than or equal to. 10 is greater than 20 is true or false? False. Less than or equal to. 10 is less than or equal to 20, true or false? True. 10 is greater than or equal to 20 is true or false? False. 10 equal to 20 is true or false? False. 10 is not equal to 20, true or false? True. This is a relational operator. Here I initialized 4 variables a, b, c, d with an 10, 20, 30 values respectively. Now I am going to check a less than b and c less than d. Then I am going to print a and c are smaller than b and d. Now you understand this LH side condition and RH side condition both has to satisfy, which gives true, then only it comes inside and checks this condition. If statement I already explained. If you are not aware, please go and watch that video, then only you can understand these logical operators. Okay, now run the program. C, A and C is smaller than B and D. If I gave, sorry, not here, here, if I gave 30 here, if I gave 60, no, not here, here I gave 650. Now check the condition. If here I will give else spot. If it is not possible, it comes to else spot. I am printing the same statement, but I am changing bigger than. Now I am running the program. See the output. A and C is bigger than B and D. Now you understand here the logical expression which is formed as combination of two or more relational expression. These are the relational. This one is the relational expressions. Two or more, not only one. Okay, if we written only one condition, that will become relational expression only, but not logical. If I change this AND operator to OR operator, at least one condition is satisfied, then it goes inside and prints the statement. If not, it comes to else part. Now check the output. At least one condition has to satisfy. At least one condition also not satisfied. So that's why that's not goes inside the if statement. Now check this output. C and C is smaller than B and D. First if condition is satisfied. Why? Because C 30 is less than 40. This condition is satisfied. So that's why if it is not true, which is false, then only it goes inside and prints the statement. See the output bigger than B and D. Here the result is true, but not operator is there. So that's why it became false. So if statement is not executed, else what gets executed. If I gave C is greater than D, the condition is false, but here is a not statement, not operator. So that's why false is converted to true. The if condition is satisfied, which is true, unprinted if block. See the output. A and C is smaller than B and D. If statement gets executed. Sixth one is bitwise operator. It is going to perform every bit of data, which means if we pass a value that is converted into a binary form which is zeros and ones, and then there performs AND operator and bitwise NOR operator, bitwise XOR operator. Okay, now I am initialized two variables a, b and storing data 2 and 3. I am going to perform bitwise AND operator. A is converted to a binary form, B is converted to a binary form, then their AND operation is goes on, and then finally result is came. Result is not in zeros and ones, it is in data which humans can understand. See the result is 2. If we change this value, A is 3, the same result will come. Look at the output. If I change this value to 13 and then 22, look at the output. If you want clear information about bitwise operator, I will do video for bitwise operator also. Please message me in the comment section. Now if I change this to OR operator, if I save the program, I run the program. See 31 is the output. If I change to XOR operator, see the output. 27 is the output. Okay, this result is mission generated.